Pre-Operative Instructions. A parent must accompany anyone under the age of 18 on the day of surgery and stay in our office until the surgery is over. Financial responsibility. The charges for service at this office are your responsibility. Please be advised that although the courtesy of checking your insurance coverage is extended, this is not a guarantee of an insurance payment. We can give general guidelines about your benefits, but it is absolutely essential that you take the time to call your carrier. When you call, please record the name of the person you spoke with, as well as the date and time, in case there is a dispute later. If your insurance company requires a referral, make sure you call your primary care physician or dentist prior to coming in for your surgery appointment to obtain one. We are always here to help you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us. If you have not received a call from us prior about out-of-pocket expenses due at the time of surgery, please call our office 1 to 2 days before your scheduled appointment. On the day of surgery, please bring the estimated amount that was quoted. Please note, if payment with a check or credit card is made by someone other than the patient, that individual check or credit card holder must be present. For patients having IV sedation or general anesthesia medications. If you require antibiotic pre-medication prior to your dental treatment, please take the prescribed dose with a sip of water 2 hours prior to your appointment. If you take blood pressure or reflux medication in the morning, please take with a sip of water 2 hours prior to your appointment. You may have nothing to eat or drink after 12 a.m. prior to surgery. This includes water, gum chewing, and hard candy. Please have someone with you to drive you home after surgery. This person must remain in the office at the start and finish of your surgery. If the patient is a child riding in a car seat, there must be a parent, legal guardian, and another adult to supervise the child while in the car seat on the ride home. If only nitrous oxide is being used, please refrain from eating 2 hours prior to your surgery. If you happen to feel ill 1 week prior to your surgery date, kindly give our office a call, as the doctor performing your surgery may want to see you prior in order to evaluate your symptoms. Please remove all piercings from your nose, lip, and tongue prior to your procedure and wear an old short-sleeved shirt. Please bring a blanket if you tend to get cold. Please brush your teeth, but do not swallow the water and do not use mouthwash. Please avoid wearing gel and/or dark nail polish.